Hello, myself Dr. Manohar Bacha. I'm a MBBS and presently I'm working as a Chief Medical Officer. I have done postgraduate diploma in occupational health, yoga. I am a United Nations recognized meditation trainer from Heartfulness Institute. I am from multiple background, academically also as a working experience. My goal is that holistic approach to problems of human being. So being a doctor, we should, as we know that WHO definition, so it's not a, this is not a mere absence of disease, but we have to heal humans physically, socially, spiritually. That is my aim. And with the colleagues like you from different fraternity like Ayurveda, homeopathy, I also like to have your assistance. My aim is to heal people, give them meditation, treat their problems. एंड जो अभी जो प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं लाइक मैरिटल प्रॉब्लम्स मेनली इंटीमेसी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स दिस इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स सो आई होप दैट दिस कोर्स instills all that necessary wisdom into me and I will use it for my patients. Thank you.